start standing is a really nice exercise for you to do with your child if they are learning how to stand on one leg. This is a nice step before being able to do that. So you can ask your child to stand on one leg and lift the opposite leg up onto a surface, as I'm doing here. So the majority of the weight is going through this straight leg here, but there's a little bit of weight going through the right leg to help them balance. Now make sure that the backs on both legs so that each leg is getting a good workout and you're equally as strong on both sides. 10, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stay there, stay there. Do you think you can put that ball on here for me? Oh, oh, wow, so good cute. Ready, steady. Oh! And go. And continue. Ooh, okay, that's it. Ready. Oh! Well done. Nice one. I'll do it to you. Ready. Oh, keep your balance. Right here, that's it. Okay, right, ready? Keep your balance. Ready. That's it. To me. Uh-oh, right, stay there. I'm going to get it. Try again. You do it. Ready, look at what you're doing. Good. Should we do one more and then we're going to change legs? Ready, steady. Oh! Okay, you step down. We're going to move this. That's it. Come over here. Move it a little bit closer. Go over this way. That's it. Okay, you've got your balance. Right, you ready? Going to take the ball off here and we're going to put it on here. Ready, steady. Wow! Keep your balance. That's what comes forward. Can you get your heel down? Put your heel down. There you go. Ready? Hold it up high. Ready, steady.
Do like this.
You're going to change it? Okay, you change your hands. You need to face it that way. Ready, steady. Oh! Well done. Very good.